Greetings, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to teach South African law and to preach the Word of God. Now, today we are going to be looking at the grounds of divorce in South Africa, specifically legal grounds. When can you legally be entitled to divorce in South Africa? There are three grounds. The first one is called irretrievable breakdown of marriage. The second one is called continuous unconsciousness of a person. Thirdly, mental illness. These are the three legal grounds upon which you are entitled to divorce in South Africa. Now, let me start with the most common one, which is irretrievable breakdown of marriage. This is most common and is the easiest one to prove. In all honesty, this is one of the grounds upon which you can raise for most of the issues that makes you feel uncomfortable. When you say the marriage is irretrievably broken down, you can state, for example, that there is abuse in this marriage. If there is abuse in a marriage, it can qualify for irretrievable breakdown. And it doesn't matter what type of abuse. When I did a presentation on domestic violence, I did cite the different types of abuse in terms of the Domestic Violence Act. And they are physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional abuse, psychological abuse, financial abuse. So if you are able to state any of these, then you will be entitled to divorce. You can also state lack of communication. You can say, as parties in this marriage, we are no longer able to see eye to eye. We are no longer able to communicate. When the other one says A, the other one says Z. Separation is one of the examples that the marriage is irretrievably broken down. You can also state the fact that there is loss of love. There is loss of affection. You're no longer loving each other. You're no longer affectionate towards each other. Now, what is important to note is that this is a no-fault system where you don't have to prove fault on the part of the party. There is no proof needed. If it's an allegation, you just need to allege, to say this person is abusing me. You don't even have to go to an extent of proving it. You just have to tell the court, we have been separated, we're no longer staying together, we're no longer communicating. That is reason enough for it to qualify as the fact that your marriage is irretrievably broken down. There is no hope. There is no prospect of this marriage being reconciled. That is the first one, which is most common, which is easy to rely on. The second one is continuous unconsciousness. This person is not conscious. He's unconscious. And your partner has been unconscious for a minimum of 6 months. And this allegation must be supported by an expert. There must be a minimum of 2 doctors who are able to confirm that indeed this person has been unconscious for a minimum period of 6 months. The third and the last one is mental illness. You must be able to say, I have to divorce because this person is mentally ill. And it's not just a statement that you can willy-nilly make to say the person is mentally ill. There must be proof to the effect that this person has been hospitalized, he has been in a mental institution. And on top of that, there must be experts in the field, your psychiatrist, a minimum of 2, who are able to prove that this person indeed is mentally ill. So, these are your 3 reasons, or these are the 3 legal grounds for divorce in South Africa. And this is applicable across the board, across all types of marriages. So whichever type of marriage that you are involved in South Africa, if you want to divorce, this must be the grounds that you will state in your particulars of claims, obviously with the assistance of your lawyers or your legal practitioners. I hope you find this very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, to share and to comment. And finally, to press your notification bell so that when we upload again, you are notified. Thank you very much for all those that have supported this journey. Thank you.